Hello, this is Alexandra Jamie. The first thing I want to say before I even start my ePortfolio, I just want to say I hope I got everything. It was a little bit confusing, the aspects. I tried including everything and mimicking the ePortfolio that we graded or we went over in the beginning of the semester. So yeah, hope you enjoy. First off, I want to say my name is Alexandra Jamie, but I go by Alex. Obviously, for the education aspect, University of South Florida. Work experience. I work at Party City. I'm a retail worker, and with that, obviously, you have to be working with customers. You have to be patient with them and be able to um, socially have conversations, and that should go for children as well. Definitely in the educational and professional workplace. Um, and for my first little page, I talked about my sample of work. I had one of my PowerPoints, like the Screencast PowerPoints from this class, the Moore's Law. Hopefully, I did that right. Um, for the sample of law or the sample of work, I just took that basically as an example of the work we've done, I guess, to see like our certain style of how we get it done. And for my description, I just said Moore's PowerPoint is an example of work that I have done for this class, an example of my work style. So this is how I would do the PowerPoint, and this just gives my viewers an example of how I work. Yeah. And then for my About Me page, it's set to include images. So I included a photo of me, and then I said, "Hello there, my name is Alexandra Jamie, but I go by Alex. I'm 18 years old and I have a passion for teaching and inspiring young children and to want to learn. All throughout high school, I was always left undecided of what I truly wanted to major in, and I soon realized that I've always had a passion for helping other people in school. I took classes in high school called ECE, Early Childhood Education, and these included different levels, and you got to work your way up each year. We also kept a binder to earn our CDA certification. It was a lot of work and there's still so much more to go, but it'll be worth it in the end." So yeah, that's from All About Me. And for my other one, this is basically like my blog. I put my blog link somewhere on here. I think it's at the top or somewhere. But basically, oh yeah, it's literally right in front of me. So I guess you could just click from there. Um, and yeah, it's basically in my description. I just said my personal blog was a place for me to present and showcase all my work throughout the course. Um, and yeah, with my ePortfolio, I feel like everything's there correctly. I put my cover photo, I put a picture of myself, and for my resume as well, I also have that included in there. It's really easily accessible. You can click it, click this arrow, and it takes you right to it. This is my resume. Um, and yeah, it's the same information. I work at Party City, my education, Gaither High School, my GPA, when I graduated. Um, I'm still in progress of University of South Florida. I'm working to get my bachelor's degree for education. My volunteer experiences, Best Buddies, which is when you work with special needs children, babysitting experience, my objective of what I want to do in college and things I want to get done. And yeah, and going back, my skills are listed. Um, yeah, I feel like everything's here so far. Um, yeah, thank you. Bye bye.